So it's like a double bond, right, with O, and then C you have to attach that.
Okay, then that's at 1700.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Hey.
Are you studying for the exam?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
Oh, Jamie, I got you this chain.
Oh, thanks.
You ready to go to lab?
Oh, yeah.
You guys going? Oh, we're already going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
It's almost time.
It's
That's
5
why.
o'clock.
Bye. See
Yeah.
you guys later then.
Bye.
Are you gonna stay here?
Yeah. I'm
All
Yeah,
right.
meet us later?
Yeah.
Alright.
Bye.
Oh, wait, we're gonna actually go to Starbucks again.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry guys, I didn't get you one.
It's alright.
It's okay. I understand.
We'll see you there.
Alright, bye. Bye. I'll see you guys in the video. Yeah, Jamie fainted. Our plan worked. Yeah, I'll be there in a few minutes. Bye.
Wait, she was
And
in
her cup
lab.
is like,
And she never misses lab. Where's Jamie? It's dark. Where's
hey
Jamie?
guys.
She's not even here. Her
listen
cup's
up.
here. Her
Do
notes
you
here.
want your friend back? Hey.
What does that even mean?
Who's
What the
they?
hell what happened?
I don't know.
No, she was
She
stuck.
didn't-
She. Oh my God. And
What?
What?
when I came back, she was here.
Right?
Yeah, she was here when you got
Yeah,
went to
when
get
I
your
came
phone.
here for my folder and phone,
Right.
she was here.
What? And her phone's here. Everything's here.
Everything's still here.
I don't know. Guys, I just got a text.
Huh? You got one too?
Yeah, from a private number?
Block number.
What is this?
What could it be? What does it say? It says, go to the 3rd floor of the library.
You want your friend back?
Yeah.
There are clues waiting for you.
Maybe she's playing a joke on us.
Let's see.
Probably.
But no, let's run, man. What if she's
Let's
actually
go.
kidnapped in the 3rd floor?
What's
Run,
gonna
run,
happen
run.
to her?
Let's run. Another text on the same block number. It says the first clue. It's by a computer on this floor. So let's find the computer. This computer's over here. This one? What is this?
C3H6NOCL.
What could that mean though?
What does that mean?
It's a formula.
Yeah, but
What do we
For
do
what?
with it? I don't know.
let's see. Maybe there's another clue.
Maybe.
Turn it around. Is there anything? Oh,
No, not
Let's
here.
go back.
Wait, another text?
What does it say?
I don't know. We have to. The second clue waits for you in one of the shelves. Look around this floor. Where could it be? Where? It was one of the shelves. Should we check that one?
Where?
Where?
Over here.
Oh, good eyes. Wow.
Yeah. Wait, it's in the
Life.
science of biology. So I guess the clues are gonna be there. What is this? Oh, your phone.
Thanks. Okay, so
What is that?
This looks like
we have a
this.
molecular formula
Right?
and
But-
spectroscopy
Sweet.
graph.
NIO, what is this? Wasn't Jamie studying something about this?
I think so, yeah.
Do you think she's still playing a joke on us?
Maybe. What if she is?
But why would she do this?
Right? What does
She
it do
has
with this
class
graph
notes.
and this?
Are we supposed to solve it? And
Yeah.
Try and find
Wait,
it?
another text. Now that you guys got the graph, look for how to solve the graph and interpret it. Another clue waits for you.
Okay,
But
let's.
where?
Do you think it's another book?
Maybe.
It's kind of dark over here.
Right? It's getting darker. Do you see anything? Where could it be? Degree of saturation. To solve it, you have to put into this formula, which has 2n plus 2. What is n?
And is the number of
Carbons.
carbons.
Oh, so let's see if I got this formula. Maybe it has to do with these carbons.
Okay, yeah. hold
Right?
on. I have a pen.
You have a pen. Take out a pen. Oh, you brought a pen.
I brought
So
2
2n
plus
plus 2.
2.
So there's 3 carbons. So 2 plus 2.
This is the first step,
6.
though, right?
Yeah, so 6.
We did this, I remember, in
Eight.
Bio-Orgo.
And then number of hydrogens plus halogens. So we have 6 hydrogens, and Cl is a halogen.
Right?
So that would be 7.
Right.
Oh wait, but here it says each n
It's
equals
minus
1.
1.
So 7.
Divided by 2.
Yeah, they found the first 3 clues. I don't know what to say to them. Do you think I should tell them? Oh god. Okay, I won't say anything. Should I pretend to be helping them to find the clues then? Okay, alright, bye.
Right? It's like the strangest thing.
do that?
Yeah, it's the most
No?
funniest thing.
I don't understand.
Hey.
Where'd you
Where have
go?
you been?
Bathroom.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So we
okay.
figured out this.
Yeah.
The degree of saturation. It turns out to be 1. And
Wait, because you did the 7 minus 1.
right, 7 minus 1. The
From
1 is
where?
a halogen.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Because
sorry.
it was a nitrogen in this
Right.
formula.
So we
Okay.
minus 1.
And
it
then
was
this last step was just part 1 minus part 2.
divided by
Divided
2.
by 2. And we got
And
1.
we got 1.
And
So-
what does that mean?
I don't know. We have
I
to check our
found
notes.
Jamie's notes because remember she was studying for that?
Yeah.
So I stole her notes.
Yeah.
And I found that if you have 1 degree of unsaturation, that means either you could have 1 ring or 1 double bond,
Okay,
right?
so I guess we'll break that down for later
Right?
on.
Yeah.
Now what though? We still have this. We don't even know what this is.
I don't even know.
Do you see anything in
I
there?
think there's more clues. Wait, another text. It says, now that you're outside, you can look for more clues. Look around and you'll find the next 3 clues or 4. Where could it
Where
be?
do we even look?
Let's start for the statues. Okay.
So,
This is the W, right? Looks
Yeah.
here, so it has to be NH2.
okay.
So you want to write that down, and then
Okay.
what is this? There's a line like this in our notes, but so it's either C double bond C
Uh-huh.
or C single bond C. So, but
We'll come
she,
back to that one.
Yeah, she wrote that it wasn't useful in her notes.
Okay.
For figuring it out.
So 2200, there's nothing.
There's
but
nothing there.
1700. Okay.
We see this, and it has to be a O double bond to a C.
Yeah.
And then there's nothing here.
No.
So that's all we have so far, right?
Okay. NH2 and O double bond C.
Right. So now what else do we have?
So now what?
So we look at the 2 formulas that we have. This one
We
has
have
an
an
N in
N.
it. The other one have an N in it? No.
No. So
this
it's got to
has-
be this.
right.
Yeah.
And we have N. We have an H2.
And there's a C and an O. Okay.
Perfect. So this may have to go with this.
Okay.
Do you want to hold on to this? Put it in your left foot.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So,
And so let's look at this. First, let's look at.
so I guess we have to do the degree
Yes.
first again.
Yes. So degree once again for this. Maybe there's another clue.
Maybe.
Because we still have to find 3 more clues, right? So let's keep searching. Let's find more clues. Oh, for this.
Okay.
So we know that this is the 7.
C double bond O.
You knew that this was this, right? This.
I don't know
what's
how to
this?
do any of this.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't remember any of it?
No.
I thought you did.
No.
I thought you so quiet. I was just in shock as James
Are you okay?
Yeah, you
I'm
okay? Okay. Wait, so then, but
This
then
one's
what is
weird. This is like a combination.
right?
This is like an
What?
OH, kind of with like a W.
Yeah. So what can it be?
I don't know. Is there anything in there that looks like this?
No.
Oh, so it's an OH definitely because it's got
Right.
the U, but it doesn't
Yeah.
go all the way up.
Hmm.
So maybe we'll come back to it.
Yeah, we'll come back to that one.
Okay, so we got that. So
Yeah.
plus. Okay. Now what is this? Is that in there?
Oh, that. We saw this, right? It looks
Right.
similar to this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. That's exactly
Right?
it. Look.
Right. So then if we know there's a bump like this, so far we've solved 1, right?
Right.
Completely. So now we have 2 more to solve.
Okay.
So let's do the second one.
Well, we did the degree of saturation
For
and it was
this
1.
Right. We did it earlier. And now, so we have
We solved this.
the graph for this and the NMR for this,
Right.
right?
So
let's
now-
figure it out. So what does this bump mean again?
I think that was an H2
Two,
or an NH
or
something.
OH, right?
Oh, NH2.
Right. So it has to be that because remember this is a W.
Mhm.
So this has to be an NH2.
That has to be an NH2. And that matches that.
Right, perfect.
And then from
We
before,
know that there's nothing
this
here.
is carbon A.
A, right,
This is B.
right. Perfect.
So carbon A has 2 carbons
Carbon
attached
attached
to
to
it.
it.
And the one next to it, it's 3 minus 1. So there's 2.
Okay.
So carbon B has 2 carbons.
Perfect.
Oh, and they
It
match.
works, right.
Okay. So now we have to figure out where everything goes.
Right, structure. So let's start off with Wait, first let's see if it matches up with the formula, right?
We have an N.
N, perfect. We have 3 C's.
We have 2 C's so
C's.
far. Oh, and we have a C double bond
Bond
O.
O.
Okay, and we have an N.
Right.
And we have 2, 3, 4, 6 H's.
Right, perfect.
Okay, so we're all accounted for. So
Right.
we go C,
H,
C,
C,
H,
H.
and then we have this C with a
attached
double
to-
bond O.
Right. Because it has it over here.
Right. Okay, so there's our C's are taken care of.
Right.
Um,
So now,
we need to put the CL somewhere and the NH2 somewhere.
so where would it go? We
Well,
put it.
This needs one more bond,
Right.
and this needs one more bond as
Right.
well.
Mm-hmm.
And we don't see anything down here.
No.
There has to be an NH2.
Right.
So the CL can either go here and the NH2 here,
Right.
or it can go CL, NH2.
Right.
How many bonds does N need?
2. No. 3 bonds. Right. Okay. How are we gonna put it?
I don't know. Should we put it? We'll put the CL here.
Yeah, put the
We'll
CL
try that.
here.
We'll try that first.
Let's try that. Okay.
And that has 3 free electrons.
Right. Perfect.
And then we put a
And there.
N, 2, H,
Perfect.
and that works. Oh, it can go on either end, right?
Oh yeah. So it doesn't really matter.
There's 2
where you
ends.
put it.
Right. There's 2 ends. It can go on either
Right.
end.
Okay. Perfect.
So now.
So now it matches up. So it
Right.
matches up with our graph. It matches up with this,
And we
right?
have our 1
Right.
degree, which with the double
Double
bond.
bond, right? Perfect. And then we have the 3 C's.
Every carbon has
This is a bond.
has 4 bonds.
And we have 6 H's.
Yep. 1,
right?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Perfect. We have an N.
N.
We're 1 N.
An
We
O.
have 1 O.
And a CL.
CL. So it works. This one. This all 3 goes together,
Mhm.
right? Perfect. So the only one that we have to solve now is this, right? The third problem, right? Maybe. Hold on. But I'm getting another text. What does this text say?
Yes, it says, come by a gold SUV that is parked by the basketball court in this parking lot and bring the money that I mentioned earlier. How much money? It says $10,000. And right? And then in order for that, you'll get the last clue that we're missing to solve the last problem. Did you give me that, I hope? Hope so. It says, yeah, and get me that. So, right? Okay, I should add.
Tell me what he's got there, ready? $10,000? You sure it's $10,000?
Yes,
Not 1,000?
No, it's 10,000. We got the CEO. He can give us $10,000.
He said yes.
He did?
He said yes. He's gonna wire it for us.
Oh, okay.
He's at work, so okay.
Guys, I'm really sorry. My mom just texted me. I really have to go.
Okay.
Bye, guys. I
Bye.
hope you
We'll
guys
let you know
find
if we find
Jamie.
Jamie.
So I guess we'll go get the money.
Yeah, let's get the money.
It's getting dark and we don't know where she is.
Yeah, it's gonna be dark.
Your glass text about the $10,000 and they agreed to it. Then you're gonna ask her dad for it. So just when you see the money, take it and go, okay? You really can't be doing this. Bye.
All 10,000? Oh my, that's bad. Okay, so I got a text. It says leave the money by the passenger car and look for the last clue by the window. Oh, this is the whole thing. Right? I was like, find Jamie money. What's the last clue? Here it is. Oh, here. This is the last problem that we have to solve, right? Okay, so let's see.
C7H7.
Let me open up my
VR.
right.
We have 4 degrees of saturation, which means
Right.
we have a benzene ring.
Ring. Right, and we have a benzene ring
And
in here.
that's all that told us is that
Right.
we have a benzene ring.
Exactly. So it
So
says
what does
that.
this mean? We have a 3 with 1 line. But
Three
if
with
there's
one
1 line, then that means that there's no carbons. That can't be it.
Right.
Oh, so between 8 and 6,
Six.
there's a benzene ring.
Ring. Right.
So
You could draw that right in.
And then, so there's 3 and a 1.
Mm-hmm.
So do we get 3 H's and then 1 by itself?
Yeah.
H, and then we'll put the other one by itself over here.
Right.
So that means we still have to fill these 2 spots.
Right. So it could either be one has to be a BR, right?
Yeah. One has to be a BR. And we
BR.
have 6. Put the BR there
Mm-hmm.
with its free electrons.
Right.
So the BR,
Mm-hmm.
we have 6, so we need 1 more C.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. Need 3 more H's.
H's. So it could be a C, the double bond, a C with 3 H's, right?
Yeah, so we'll C and then CH3.
Right.
With the methyl group.
Right. So we met them.
So it's 7.
Right. Got that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.
Perfect.
So we got it.
Got it. Perfect.
Okay.
So it matches up. This graph matches up with this.
The benzene ring,
Right,
4
benzene,
degrees.
which is not important with the 3000. Perfect. So we got it. So,
Oh, so that 3 must mean a C with 3 H's.
right, that's what it means.
And then there's 1 carbon with no H's.
H's.
Okay.
So it's perfect, right? We got it. This we saw what this was,
Mhm.
right? What was this again?
That was the benzene ring with 3
Three
H's,
H's.
and then 1 H by itself.
Perfect. So that's what this meant. We got this, the C with the 3 H's. So we got it.
We'll draw that. That's what it's supposed to look like.
Right. Perfect. So we got
Yeah,
it, right?
We still have to find her though.
There.
We don't know where she
Wait,
is.
done. All right. So we're done with this. So
Figure them all out.
right.
We still don't know where Jamie is.
Exactly. So I got a text that says, "Look in the back seat of this car, and you'll find Jamie." But we haven't seen Jamie when
Yeah.
we first came. Let's see where she is. Hold on.
Here?
Yeah. Let's see.
How did we not see her before?
Right? Oh, she's there.
There she is. Jamie?
Jamie? Wait.
Jamie?
You okay?
You okay? What?
What was
You're in a car.
Yeah. How'd you get here?
Mine gave me that Starbucks string.
That's it?
That's it? That's all you remember?
That's
All I
all.
remember. Where's
So
mine?
strange. I don't
We're
know.
looking for you.
Yeah, so she said she
you
went
didn't
home.
You never came to lab.
Yeah.
No, I don't even know where I am.
Wait,
You're at school. You're in
yeah.
someone's car.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Is this your car? No, right? Then what is this? Someone was texting us clues anonymously and telling us to solve all this stuff in order to like
Do we
find you,
answer?
right? And then we found you.
Oh,
You okay, right?
I'm fine. I don't
Yeah.
know.
Wait, who's on the other side of the
There's
car?
someone there. I see someone over there.
I see. Who?
Yeah, maybe that was anonymous.
They're coming to get the money.
Wait, they're going. That's all right. Yeah.